Okay, so oxidation numbers. Sometimes it's hard to tell what the oxidation number of a certain element is when it's in a compound like this because it doesn't have a specific charge by itself. So we're going to see what P is equal to in H3PO4. So what you do first is usually work from the outside in. You would usually know at least 2 out of the 3 oxidation numbers for the elements so that you only have to figure out one. And again, 2 out of the 3 of those are usually like pretty constant for sure numbers. So let's do oxygen first. So the charge of oxygen is usually -2. But we're going to make 2 rows here. So since there are 4 of them, you would just do 4 times -2, which is -8. And since this compound is neutral, the P and the H have to all add up so that they are a +8 charge, which would make it 0 overall. If this were an ion and if it had a little charge up here, that would be different. So now let's do the H, because H is usually 1+. So let's see if this still works. So H times 1 is also, it's just 3. So we have 3+ and 8-, which means that the P has to fill in the gap, which means it has to be 5+, because 3 + 5 = 8, and that's positive. And then you have a -8 here, so they would cancel out nicely. So the charge of P is going to be 5+.